This video will help you get started with the features and functions of your new Frigidaire range. Let's check that all surface burner caps and grates are installed correctly. If they have not been installed, start by removing any remaining packing materials from the cooktop area. Next, place the burner head over the igniter. It has a hole to fit snug on top of the igniter. This must be done before placing any burner caps. Once the burner head has been properly placed, position the burner cap snugly in the center of the burner head so it rests level. Check the fit by gently sliding the burner cap from side to side to make sure it's centered and firmly seated. When you've finished installing the burner caps, position the burner grates on the cooktop by placing the middle grate or flat top griddle first, followed by the left and right. Make sure they are flush with each other. Now, let's get familiar with the controls of your range. To set your clock, touch the gear icon and then the up or down arrow until CLOC appears. Press Start, then the up or down arrows to set the time. Then press Start again to complete the process. Other buttons on your range include your cooking modes of Bake, Broil, Convection Bake, Keep Warm, Delay Start, which sets the oven to start after a specified period of time, cook time, and a timer. Here are some tips you might find useful as you begin to use your range. The timer feature is different from the cook time feature. Cook time allows you to set the desired period for your food to cook, and the oven will turn off after completion. The timer will not turn the oven off when time expires. We recommend running a test bake before cooking anything in your oven. Set your oven to bake and let it run for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. Note, it's normal to experience some smoke and noises during this first test bake. As the temperature in your oven changes during use, you may hear noises as it expands and contracts. This is perfectly normal. Some of the other most common sounds you can expect from your appliance include the control panel making clicking sounds when the oven is operating. Your oven contains cooling and convection fans. You may hear these fans when the oven is cooling down once it's turned off or during use. Your range also features our convenient steam clean feature. Check your use and care manual or view our clean and care video for more on how to keep your range clean. Now you're ready to start creating yummy meals for your family. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.